Hello and welcome to Provoking Tech. I'm Zach, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the upgrade process from Synology's CloudStation server application to their new Synology Drive application. This is an automated process on their end, but there's a couple things to discuss as you go through this upgrade process, and I just wanted to make a quick video to walk you through it and hopefully answer any questions that you might have about this upgrade process. So without further delay, let's go ahead and jump right to it. Provoking Tech. I'm Zach, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the upgrade process from Synology's CloudStation server application to their new Synology Drive application. This is an automated process on their end, but there's a couple things to discuss as you go through this upgrade process, and I just wanted to make a quick video to walk you through it and hopefully answer any questions that you might have about this upgrade process. So without further delay, let's go ahead and jump right to it. After your Synology has finished downloading and installing all those supplementary packages, it will then bring up a prompt somewhat detailing the upgrade process from CloudStation server to the Synology Drive application. Do note that this upgrade process is irreversible, and what I mean by that is your Synology will automatically take your configuration settings, your client connections, and all the versioning history from CloudStation server and automatically apply all that to the Synology Drive application so that you don't have to go through the configuration process like you did for the CloudStation server if you've already have all that data set up. In addition, all your versioning history will be there according to the documentation. I don't have versioning turned on, or I didn't have versioning turned on my Synology before I went through the upgrade process, so I have not fully tested everything along those lines, but all that information is supposed to come over through the upgrade process. All the client connections that I have did work flawlessly after the upgrade process, even though I was now running Synology Drive on my NAS, but I might have CloudStation backup or possibly the CloudStation Drive application on my different computers. Those connections continue to synchronize with my Synology without any issues at all. But do note though, if you end up deciding that you prefer CloudStation server to the Drive application for some reason or another, you will have to completely reinstall the CloudStation server application because it is uninstalled in this process, and you also have to completely reconfigure it, and you will lose all your versioning history when you decide to go back from Drive and go back to the CloudStation server application. So do keep that in mind as you're going through this upgrade process. If you do have a test Synology and you're running this for a small business, I do recommend testing that for your use cases and make sure that everything that your company uses it for works. Or if you're running this at your house and you only have one, then I guess you're going to wing it. But I went through the upgrade process on 2 different Synologies and had 0 issues so far. All right, so pretty much now all you have left to do is hit that next button, and in the background your Synology will continue with the upgrade process. Do keep in mind as your Synology is upgrading and applying all the configurations to the Drive application, and then later uninstalling the CloudStation server application, your client computers will temporarily lose connection to your Synology, of course. So make sure to do this upgrade process in a period of time where you're not needing to synchronize with your Synology through the various CloudStation applications. As I already mentioned earlier in the video, all your CloudStation applications on your computers, your various computers and mobile devices will continue to work, so you don't have to immediately go through the process of upgrading those to the Synology Drive application. But I do recommend going ahead and going through that process in the very near future, because there are some cool features that I'll be going through or going over in one of my future videos, so stay tuned for that. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was both enjoyable as well as informative, and if it was, then give it a big like. I greatly appreciate that. Also, if you're not already an existing subscriber, smash that subscribe button to stay tuned for more great videos from Provoking Tech. In the very near future, I will have 2 more videos on the Drive application coming out. One that's going through the complete process of setting it up with the assumption that you've never used CloudStation server, and also another video just kind of detailing the new features that Synology Drive brings to the table in comparison to what Synology used to have with their CloudStation server package and its client applications. So without further delay, I'm going to end this video finally, and until next time, Zach out.